Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert a star shape in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show insert a star shape. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for a drawing option. Now click for a shape option. Now click from the callouts option. Now click for a star, then draw a star icon option. Now we show star icon is the sense color. Now going to dash fill color option, then enhance color and the border color option. Now select from the enhance color. Now click for save and close option. That's it. Then you show insert a star shape in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.